Okay, today I'm going to be showing y'all a quick hairdo that I'm doing Molly's hair just for a couple of days. It's not even going to last no week. It's going to literally be a couple of days. Right now I'm just adding some hair fertilizer to her hair. And just getting it all off in there. And her hair is tangled because she washed it like earlier today, so y'all gonna see me trying to untangle her hair too. I'm starting at the end to untangle it, and then I'm gonna work my way all the way up. Okay, now it's untangled. I'm just going to add a little hair fertilizer at the end of her hair. I'm going to take my brush, brush it. And I'm just going to twist her hair. I'm not going to braid it, I'm just going to twist. Her hair grew quite a bit with this hair fertilizer. So I am happy and pleased about it. Look at that beautiful hair. Just going to take two and just go. I will put barrettes at the end, but I don't have no barrettes, so I'm not going to put none. Okay, turn around to the other side. I'll be back after I finish parting this other side to show y'all what I'm going to do. Okay.
Now.
Okay, so I'm just doing the same thing that I did on the other side. Just squeezing her scalp. Bless you. Put some at the edge of her hair. I'm going to put some at the center. And then I'm going to spray it to get it soft. Well, it's already soft, but to get it moist. And yes, I'm wearing you, Molly, I know. What happened? Oh, right here. She hates my brush. But this brush is really, really good.
Ooh, fancy elbow, mama.
Elbow's fancy.
Oh, my elbow off anyway.
It was. It's not no more.
And take it and twist it. Okay, I'm going to start with the top. Let's brush it out first. You got dandruff. Thought I gotta comb majority of it out.
Just trying to make it hurt less.
Yeah, because when I do it the other way, it hurts a lot more. So if I do it this way with the brush, see, it don't hurt as much because I pretty much got the tangle out.
Her hair looks soft. Is it
Her
soft?
hair is really soft. It's just tangled because when she washed it, she didn't put nothing on it to make it soft. To make it not hurt when I comb it. So her hair is really, really soft. It's just that she didn't put nothing on it.
Is that a big twisty?
Yeah. Sorry, Mommy.
Ooh, my hip.
I'm just taking the hair fertilizer and just going all the way around her edges now. Make sure I get it all good. And then I'm going to start at the end of her hair. Just make sure I coat it with it up. And this hair fertilizer got like a cool mint feeling to it. I love the way it makes my hair feel. I like the tingling. Molly don't like it so much. Right, Molly? Right, you don't like the tingling to your hair.
What?
The tingling.
Of what?
The hair fertilizer.
Oh, he's so confused right
No,
now.
we're still talking about the hair fertilizer. The grease. She do not like my brush. Need some gel to put at the front of your hair. Still dry. You wet?
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, it's stuck on my hand. Okay, I'm just gonna take it. Just do a big twist. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause the video right quick. I'm just gonna untangle the back. That way we won't be here that long. And I'll come back after I get it untangled. Okay, I'm brushing her hair. I just gone ahead and did the back off camera. And I'm just gonna do the top part on camera.
Is it top or of her head?
Top. Top of the back of her head.
Oh.
I'm just brushing it.
Ooh, have two buns in her head.
Since you want her to be doing all that to her head, let's do it to yours.
No, I don't
Oh,
want to be
yeah.
looking like I'm no fool.
But why does she want to look like that?
Because she would be very unique.
No.
No.
Yes.
Let's do it to your head. You look very unique.
Yep, and then we be like,
I don't want
"Oh,
you-
you're very unique."
I'm already unique.
Told you that lies.
You?
I'm so mean sometimes.
Didn't say that.
She's so mean sometimes.
Yeah, you
though.
did.
Not that. I never said. Trina, you're so unique. Oh, like I haven't said that. Who told you those lies?
Ha, you're very funny. That was actually kind of funny, though.
Sometimes Molly can hang with the mean girls.
She is the main mean girl.
No, I
She like the main one.
I'm a fairy tale.
Plastic. Ha ha ha.
You're plastic.
What?
Cold,
No, I'm not.
shiny, hard plastic.
No, I'm not.
You were.
No, I'm not.
You already been told lies.
Oh, if people keep leaving nasty comments on my YouTube channel, and stuff, I will block them. Because if you don't have nothing nice to say, or if you're not giving your opinion, a nice opinion, instead of being rude, I will block you on my channel because I have my kids on here. And I just don't want the rudeness no more. Because it's 2019, and if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all, or just click off the video. You don't have to watch it. Just don't leave. I just don't want nasty comments on my channel no more. And if you do decide to put a nasty comment, I will block you right then and there. I won't think about it. I will just block you. So if you don't have nice things to say, or if you got an opinion that you know that's gonna be rude, and y'all don't like me to react towards them, like when I say something, can I get the spray? When I say something back, I get comments like, "Oh, you just mad," like telling me, "Oh, I'm just mad" and stuff. I'm not mad. It's just that I have kids, and some of the comments that people leave is rude towards my kids.
I can't get it.
You know, if you already see the video and you know you're not gonna like it, just please don't click on it. I mean, it's just as simple as that. You know, you don't like it, you see the title, and these days you can see the video before the video even play. If you know you're gonna have something rude to say, just don't watch the video. Just don't leave no comments. You know, because I do have my kids on this channel a lot, and we don't need the rude comments. Because this is a whole new year, and we did that for like 2 years straight with people leaving us rude comments, you know, saying nasty things, and then expect me not to react towards it. You know, you shouldn't. I know I'm putting it on the internet for everybody to see, but I don't put it. What I don't put on the internet is for somebody to disrespect me and my kids. You know, it's one thing giving your opinion. It's another thing that you've been a bully. And majority of the people that leave nasty comments are just straight up bullies. And I don't care what nobody say. That's just straight up bully. And if you're going to come to my channel just to be a bully, you don't have to leave comments. You don't even have to watch it. Because I'm not asking you to watch it. But all my other YouTubers, that watch my channel, thank y'all for watching my channel. And it is so awesome. And I love that, you know, I have so much support and so many people that actually love me and my kids and like to watch us. We thank you for that. I will be doing a giveaway soon. I don't know when, but yes, I'm going to do a giveaway. And we haven't figured out which way we're going to do the giveaway. Which way did y'all want to do it?
What?
The giveaway. How did y'all want to do it?
I don't remember.
How do you want to do it, Molly? How do you want to do the giveaway?
What?
The giveaway.
Draw names?
Draw names?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be draw names, Molly said. And then we're going to, I don't know when. It's probably going to be in the summertime.
Put names up in a little hat and then draw them?
It's going to be in the summertime when we do our first giveaway. Might be a candle. It might be a Tish Lifestyle t-shirt. It might be a Walmart gift card. Don't know. But just stay tuned because it is going to be happening. I'm just combing this to get it straight. So yeah, just don't be disrespectful on my channel with the comments. And this is like an easy hairdo that you can do. The reason why it took me so long with hers is because I had to get all those tangles out that she had off in her hair. Now I'm just wetting it.
Hey mama, you wanna play tic-tac-toe?
With Molly's hair.
Yeah.
I'm just wetting it to get the ends soft. Because we want olive to look good. And I will be doing another sewing my candles. I will be doing another video on it, so stay tuned for that video too. And we're going to be doing some challenges. Hot versus cold. What is the other challenge? Sour versus sweet. Hot versus
Spicy.
not
What?
hot versus spicy.
Wait, I'm just naming things now.
That would still be hot though.
No, it won't. Okay, there's hot, and then there's like really spicy things, like that freaking jalapeno pepper. Hoi,
So
like gummy one.
We're gonna be doing some
Those
challenges.
pepper.
Okay, Molly, you wanna stand up so they can see this beautiful hair and this beautiful little girl.
Oh look, they can see.
Time for her to go to bed. She's tired.
Look up. Oh hello.
Oh, look at the little princess. Little princess.
What?
Stay on there. Look at the little princess. Turn around so they can see all your hair.
Da, 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 da.
And like I said, her hair grew a lot. Like literally a lot.
What are you doing?
I'm going to do
My
some
eyes
videos
are
where a
my
comparison of her hair. That way y'all can see how long it done grew to how short it was. Is you finished?
Oh, yeah.
So if y'all like this video,
Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. Bye.
you